I'm really very overwhelmed with gratitude, with a lot of pride for Thermax having completed 30 years today, having been listed on the NSE, and just feel really proud of the fact that we've done this with a strong sense of values, with our culture that I'm very, very proud of. I want to thank and congratulate every single stakeholder that has built this organization brick by brick to where it is today. And in some ways, the bell ringing is like us going on to the next phase of our journey, which is really to continue with our values and to grow responsibly, to grow with a purpose, to continue to do that, as well as to continue to be there for every single stakeholder of ours. Thank you.